This half.
Sleeping puppy. Very sleeping puppy. Move your toes. Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, I got this one now.
Nice. Oh, another one sleeping. There we go. No. She's awake. She's just faking.
The big girl's sleeping.
Sleep. Sleep. Oh, now this one's going to sleep.
They're all going to sleep.
Sleep. Almost. Getting tired.
Mom, look, see? Now it's asleep.
When I was asleep, she's asleep. Let me see. Are you asleep? Not faking.
You moved her.
She's like, hey.
Here. You're supposed to go to sleep.
That
Mine's been tired the whole time.
That one's sleeping.
I'm hypnotized.
He's pointing to her.
Yeah, he's pointing.
Hi, Poopy. Look at that baby. Come here.
Hi there.
Hi.
Hi there, Dirk.
You like it?
Hi.
Oh, that one woke up. That's the big girl.
Oh,
Oh, hello.
What's the matter? You like it and you're trying to wake up? He's like, I don't want to go to sleep, but it feels good.
This one has a birthmark, unless it's something else.